This next song was all about love, and he wrote it all by himself.
They try to tell us we're too young to really be in love.
I've always known what you like. I know you so well. I mean, how could I not? Been together for a while now. Ayaw mo na masyadong matamis. Gusto mo, yung medyo bittersweet. Ayaw mo ng sobrang tigas, pero ayaw mo rin ng sobrang lambot. Gusto mo bite size. Kaya nga, inaral kong mabuti yung recipe para sure na papasa sa taste buds mo. I know na kapag natikman mo to, magiging patay na patay ka sa lasa. Sigurado na ako dyan. Naalala ko dati, ayaw mo sa mga cookies na ginagawa ko. Lagi mo sinasabi, it tastes too sweet. Pero ngayon, na-perfect ko na yung recipe. Now you can't wait to savor each and every bite. Alam mo ba, practice ako ng practice. Hindi na ako natutulog para ma-perfect ko to. Just to make these cookies irresistible for you. Because I know you deserve the best. Now you can't get enough of my sweetness, made perfectly for you. Ah! Love!
Yes po, love.
Loko!
Hala ka! Yari dyan. Sabi na kasing mag-ingat ka eh, when handling knives. Sugat ka tuloy.
Sorry na, okay? Turo mo na lang akong gamutin to, please. I'll be careful next time.
Okay, fine. Let's go. Ba yan? Lagi ka nang nasasaktan.
Dapat kasi you're with me 24/7. Kung palagi kitang kasama, edi sana hindi ako masasaktan. I want your eyes on me all the time.
What would you do without me?
Siyempre, wala ka kung wala ka. You're the one for me, love. I know it. Diba? 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 Say that you're mine. Sabihin mo akin ka na. Hmm? Dali, sabihin mo you'll be nothing without me.
Let's go na. We still have cookies to bake.
Cookies. You know, I've been wanting to make these cookies for a while now. Kaya, it means so much to me, love, that you're here to help me make it. The cookies seem to be ready na. Yeah, I think they're warm enough na naman. This batch turned out so good, right? Don't you think so? Ang tamis. Tastes just like you. Hindi siya masyado matamis na nakakaumay, pero di din siya masyado matabang. Tamang timpla lang. Just how you like it. Sana the next batch tastes as good as the first one, no? Every great chef has a secret recipe. My love. Our love. Ang tamis ng pag-ibig, no? What do you think, love? Dapat kasi you're with me 24/7. Kung kasama sana kita lagi, di ako masasaktan. I want your eyes on me all the time.
Kainis. Parang bata. Yan, okay na?
Love, wala ka kung wala ka. You're the one for me. I know it. Diba? Diba? Sabihin mo, please. Sabihin mo, akin ka lang. You'll be nothing without me. Hmm?
Oh, ano naman?
Urgency that makes us when we're both apart. Hold his heart 'cause he never knew what to do. It sounds just like you. Yeah, it sounds just like you. It tells me you miss me from the distance. You won't kiss me and I'll never know what to do. This distance kills me too. From the South Bend to
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 0945632871 is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
Paano ko pa sasabihin to? Ewan ko kasi naman, parang lately, mas napapansin ko na ang clingy mo lalo. Ako naman na ganyan ka talaga. Di naman kita maging kaibigan ng gantong katagal nang di ko alam yun. Pero ngayon kasi, parang di ko na may ignore. Medyo obvious naman na may feelings ka sa akin. And I acknowledge that. But I just can't bring myself to feel the same way. I guess you have to go find someone else na worthy ng devotion mo.